Ballet for beginners.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a special guest, Tatiana. She's a ballet dance teacher.
Join us and have some fun.
Yes.
So let's start with learning positions. We will use 4 positions with you today. We're going to start with the first position where your heels are together and your toes are slightly pointing diagonal to the sides. And bring your arms into preparation, round arms, relaxed arms, like you're holding a nice and round balloon. Then second position, as we will open your arms and make it under as you point with your right foot and then step out wider. Your heels are wider than your hips, wider than your shoulders. And you want to spread your weight equally through both feet over here. So that's your second. Next is your fourth position, as you point your foot forward and step forward, keeping a little space between both feet. I'm going to show you sideways. And you want to make sure that you're spreading your weight equally through both feet, so you're not too far forward, you're not too far behind, you're right here in the middle. And the last position today, it will be fifth, as you drag your heel to your toes here and close your feet together. And again, very important that you aren't leaning onto your back or front foot. Spread your weight through both feet equally. And then we will make it undo and bring it into first position again. Let's do the other side. Open your arms, point your foot, second, and point your foot again forward, fourth position, and fifth. Yes, also we're going to do releve as you bend your knees, and we're going to rise your heels off the ground. And before you rise, so here you're in your feet, you want to slide your front foot a little bit across. Good, so you're really squeezing your feet, squeezing your legs here, and breathe it down, undo, and into your first. Now let's start bending our knees, plies. We have 2 types of plies, DEMI plie and grand plie. DEMI means small. So bring your arms into preparation position, first position. Let's bend your knees on 2 counts. 1, 2, keeping your heels glued to the ground. Then stretch, stretch, bend, bend, stretch, stretch. Now grand plie, bigger. You're going to go down into DEMI plie. You're going to go even lower. You can lift your heels slightly off the ground. And then open your arms, undo, second position, bring your arms down. Let's go, demi-plie, your second, 1, 2, and up, and down, down, and up, and up. Now watch my arms. As I'm going into grand plie, my arms are going to slightly rise up forward in front of your chest here, and open your arms as you stretch your legs. Undo, and fourth position, there is space between your both feet. Arms down in preparation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep spreading your weight between both feet. Grand plie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fifth position. Demi-plie. 1, 2. Knees are wide. Keep sending your knees to the side and then stretch, stretch, and down. Lift your arms a little bit in front of you and up. Releve. So you bend your knees first and then squeeze your feet and open your arms. Undo and other side. Let's go. 1, 2, and stretch, and stretch. At the top, when you stretch your legs, you want to really squeeze your inner thighs, squeeze your buttocks. then down into grand plie. You can make it small if you're a total beginner, or if you can try to go a little lower, but don't let your knees to roll inwards, keep them out. Second, let's go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Arms just in preparation, nice and easy. And grand plie, down, down, and open, and into 4th, and bring your arms down. Let's go. 1, 2. Now check your hips and shoulders facing forward towards us, and down. 2. Spreading your weight equally through both feet. See how far can you go with keeping your form, correct position, correct form, into 5th. Let's go. Down, down, and up,